Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code that is 0x80073701 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, you can copy the second command, paste. This will stop the Windows Update services. Once you run the second command, it will rename software distribution folder. Once done, run the third command. It will restart Windows Update service. Once done, you can run the last command. This will delete the old and create a new software distribution folder. Once this is done, now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Once done, now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Once done, now you can go back. If you see retry option, hit retry, try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update in Windows settings, and over here you can see pause update, click on pause over here. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, it will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once this is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. If the scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update. This is just an example. You can write down the update which is giving you the error and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25S2. So check your Windows version. And then check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Now over here in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25S2x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24S2x64, then this is the right one for you. This is for me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on the update which you are unable to install and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here the option fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.